Yeah, we're here after the rain. After the rain.
Uy, may video tayo dun sa mga
I hope I don't pass the turn.
Nakakatawa talaga yung
Okay. We're here in the mall in the tourist area.
The tourist area.
Yeah, in the tourist area together with Harold Heaven.
Yeah.
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 Your middle name is?
What?
Your middle name, Harold
Lester.
Lester.
Yes.
Harold Lester Heaven.
Junior.
Oh, you're a junior kuya.
Yeah.
That's why you're crazy.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Crazier than your father.
Actually, I'm more sane than I has.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Maybe.
Kanda.
We're almost there.
Cool. We're almost there.
I'm happy to pass the zoo.
Oh, the Chef-In restaurant.
Okay.
I caught a fart in my car.
Your car is farting.
Farting.
Yar, the car is farting. And the car is sounding rather farting. This little stupid new exhaust they put in it. And flux sounds like it farting. That makes my car go so much faster when I.
The car is smart.
Yeah. The seaside at night. Yeah. Di ba pagka sa inyo, didiretso pa yon?
How?
San Antonio.
Could you say you love me?
There in San Antonio Church.
Oh, we went to. We took Pia home last night. Pia.
Who's Pia?
Pia, yung best friend ko.
Your best friend.
She's got like 20, 30 best friends.
Oh, yeah.
Because everybody, she just, this is my very best friend. This is my very best friend. And this is my very best friend. She introduced all you three. This is one of my very best friends. I got so many very best friends, I don't know what to do with them. Okay, I'm sorry. I have 200 very best friends. This one.
You, kuya, how many very best friends you have? How many? You will have many now.
She has way too many. Oh, I'll have many now.
Yeah, you
So-
will have many now. Because
So
of
that
body
means
best.
everybody
Yeah.
here is now my very best friend.
Yeah.
Well, I'm so glad to have you as my very best friend.
Same as we, kuya.
When you talk,
Very
I'm gonna laugh and crash.
the farting car.
you go straight because we will drop this.
The equipment that we got in the car, we're gonna drop off at the flat.